Hello friends, today this video is related to general knowledge question of 1 class kids. These questions should be know your kids. So friends, let's start our question of 1 class kids. These questions are very interesting and important for your kids. So stay here and watch my full video. Thank you. Question number 1. What is a baby frog called? Tadpole. Question number 2. We smell with our nose. Question number 3. What is the color of the leaves? Green. Question number 4. Baby of a dog is called puppies. Question number 5. Write the name of 4 directions: north, east, west and south. Question number 6. Where do you go when you are sick? Hospital. Question number 7. How many colors are there in a rainbow? 7 colors. Question number 8. Which numbers comes after 46? The answer is 47. Question number 9. What is 9 plus 2? 11. Question number 10. Which month of the year has the small number of the days? February. Question number 11. How many sides are there in a triangle? The answer is 3 sides. Question number 12. What is the name of our galaxy? The answer is Milky Way. Question number 13. Which animal is carnivorous? Lion. Question number 14. What do plants make in their flower? Seeds. Question number 15. How many planets in our solar system? 8 planets. Question number 16. How many continents in our earth? 7 continents. Question number 17. What is the largest country in world by area? The answer is Russia. Question number 18. Which animal is wild animal? The answer is deer. Question number 19. Which bird is largest on land? Ostrich. Question number 20. Which insect cause malaria? The answer is mosquito. I hope viewers you will like my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also like and share my video with your friends. Thank you. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.